Hello guys, we're gonna start today with Unit 8, Green Technology, Lesson 1. So let's go to our Navio application, and that's going to be, this is the sheets, the pages that we're gonna be checking, and the activity book, it's this one, Green Technology. Okay. We're going to start with the unit objectives. Objectives in this unit, I will learn the names of objects and materials that we recycle, talk about things that are produced in different countries, learn about some amazing robots in Japan, learn about how different materials are recycled, read and write some instructions, have a conversation about the environment, learn how to persuade people with a digital poster. Those are the main objectives. And then over here we have what are the aims for today's lesson. The other ones were the general objectives, and this is the aims of today. Learn the names of recyclable objects and materials. Read a message about recycling and rubbish collection. And the last one, talk about recycling. Okay, guys, let's go to our pupils book, activity 1. Please try to read loud. Look a message. Has just, no. It's not like that. Remember I always told you to give you an intonation in order to understand the message. So that was happening to me. I didn't give the right intonation because we have exclamation words right here. So it says, look, a message has just arrived from me. I wonder who it's from. And then the girl over here, suppose that she sent a message, says, hi Kalum, my name's Kana and I live in Tokyo, which is the capital of Japan. I found your balloon level when I was walking to school this morning. The question you asked was, how do you look after the environment? Well, I recycle different things. Do you know that if you make a lot of cool things, do you know that you can make lots of cool things with the objects people throw away? Here are some photos of things I've made. Okay. Let's go to activity 1 to see. Look at Kana's photos. Answer the questions. Look, this is a guitar. This is like a horse riding, a horse, and I don't know what other thing is here. Look, this is a telephone from cans. This is a robot, and this is to water the plants with a plastic bottle. Okay, so let's answer the questions. What are the toys made of? Kalum, you say it. The girl from Japan say it. The toys are made of rubbish. Have you ever made something with recycled materials? I know, guys, you have done a lot of things with recycled materials, especially when the Spanish teacher asks you to make those beautiful projects. So I know you have made a lot of things, so write them down, please. And what did you make? Remember all your projects that you have done? So write them down, please, in your book. Thank you. Now, thinking skills. Copy the chart, complete it with things we can recycle. Okay, I want you to get your classroom and copy this chart in your classroom, and then classify materials. The things that are made from paper, newspaper, notebooks, books, the things that are made from glass, the ones you drink, the ones you wear. There are a lot of windows, all those things that are made of glass. Things that are made of plastic, bottles, bags, I don't know, and another one. I want you to put three of each one, please. Three of each one in your classroom. So copy them and do it in your classroom, please. Now let's go to our vocabulary. This is our vocabulary. Remember, I want you to pronounce perfectly well each word. So listen and say it. Listen and say it.
Can. Cardboard tube. Carton. Cardboard box. Bottle top. Button. Elastic band. Straw. Lolly stick. String. Plastic bottle. Fabric.
Okay, well, you can use some of this vocabulary to fill your charge from the activity that we just passed. So you can use them too. Okay.
Can. Cardboard tube. Bottle top. String. Fabric. Plastic bottle. Straw. Cardboard box. Carton. Button. Elastic band. Lolly stick.
Thank you. Now let's go to the next activity. Right here. Okay. Look and match, listen, check, and repeat, please. Okay. We're gonna put the
Cardboard box. Cardboard tube. Elastic band. Lolly stick. Bottle top. Straw.
Elastic band. Bottle top. Straw. We don't use the straw anymore because they ended up in the oceans. And remember, we have to take care of our oceans and rivers, our beaches. So, okay, we have done all those. Now,
Carton.
we already
Can.
did this, right?
String.
Okay.
Button. Fabric. Plastic bottle.
Okay. Very well. I push it the same way. Listen and do the vocabulary quiz. Are you ready? Let's go.
1. This is a container for drinks, like lemonade and cola. It's made of metal.
Can.
2. This is a long, thin tube. It's made of plastic. It's used for drinking.
Straw.
3. This is a piece of cloth. It's used for making things like clothes, curtains, or toys.
Fabric.
4. This object is small and round. It's made of metal or plastic. It's used for covering the top of a bottle.
Plastic top.
Bottle top.
5.
Bottle top.
This object has got the shape of a circle. It's made of rubber and it can stretch easily. It's used for holding things together.
Elastic band.
Elastic band is the same.
6.
British.
This is a long and thin object. It's small and it's made of wood. You hold it when you eat an ice lolly.
Lolly stick.
Realistic.
7. This object is made of cardboard. You can find it in the middle of a roll of toilet paper or kitchen paper.
Cartoon top.
Cardboard tube.
8.
Cardboard tube.
This is a container for liquids like milk, juice, and soup. It's made of thick cardboard.
Carton.
9. This is a thin rope. It's made of cotton or nylon. You can tie things together with it.
String.
10. This is a small round object. It can be made of metal or plastic. It's got holes in the middle. It's used for keeping clothes together.
Button.
11. This is a container for liquids, like water or cola. You can see the liquid through it. It can be big or small.
Plastic bottle.
12. This container can be big or small. It's made of cardboard. Breakfast cereals usually come in it.
Cardboard box.
Good. You should answer your activity book with these listenings. So don't forget. You're working. They're 11 o'clock already. My God. Okay. We have the rest of the activities right here. And right here we got the next activity. And it says thinking skill. Read the rest of Kana's message. On which days do the people recycle rubbish in the street? I mean, it's easy to recycle things. In my city, there are containers for different rubbish in the street, and you can leave your rubbish there in the morning. Look at this recycle timetable for my street. It's very strict. Recycle the rubbish collection rules. Let's work together to keep our street clean. A la mecha igualito que aquí, ¿verdad? Please put the rubbish in the bin before 8 a.m. on the collection day. Do not put the rubbish out after 8 a.m. O sea, a la merita hora. Bags. Please put the rubbish in semi-transparent bags. Do not mix the rubbish. Metal, cans, and glass. They pick up the rubbish on every Tuesday. Plastic containers and cartoon every Thursday. Paper, cardboard, fabric, spray cans, batteries, the first and the third Tuesday of every month. Household rubbish every Monday and Friday. So those are the days that people recycle rubbish in Kansas Street. Very good. That is amazing. Okay. Activity 6 and the last one. Communicate, ask and answer about recycle. Please ask your sister, ask your mother, ask your father, and ask them, do you recycle batteries at home? Yes, we do. How do you recycle them? We put them in the container in the supermarket. Okay? Those are the things that we should do. All the batteries that don't work anymore, we should collect them in a special container and then we can deliver them in a special place. That's what we should do at home. Okay, let's go to our activity book page. Lesson 1. Okay. What do you recycle? Please write down the things in that diagram in the right position. It's personal. I recycle. You write them the things that you recycle. There are some items over here to help you. The ones that we have just say in the vocabulary. So please order them in the right place according to you way of life. I recycle, I sometimes recycle, and I don't recycle. You can put extra words if you like, okay? And then write them over here. I recycle the same thing, but you have to write the words over here, please. Answer the book, please. Now, activity 2. Read and complete the definitions. We just heard the definitions from the recorder a minute ago. I put the definition of these things. It's a long thin rope. It's made of cotton or nylon string. So write down a string. It's usually small and round with some holes in the middle. It's used for keeping clothes together. Bottom. So please write bottom. You do it by yourself, please. It's made of rubber and it looks like a ring. It's used for keeping things together. Elastic bar. And then the last one is long, thin. It's in the middle of a nice lolly. It's a lolly stick. So in this way we practice the vocabulary. So please write it down. I want you to remember, please, that you must make 10 times each of the vocabulary word and put the meaning in Spanish at the row and write a sentence, please. Don't forget, this is the homework that we always do and the practice that we always do in our classroom. So don't forget to do it, please. Do it in your homework. Make the sentence, the meaning in Spanish, the 10 repetitions, and that's it. Now, read and complete the definitions. Read and complete the definitions, please. I want you to straw. We just say them a minute ago from there, so write a straw is a thing that you use to drink, is long. Okay, remember, try to remember the definitions that we just mentioned a minute ago. Read and remember the grammar in the lesson. What is made of? It's made of cotton. What are they made of? They're made of plastic. Here it is. If we ask in singular, what is, wow, is included here with this apostrophe plus s. What's it made of? It's made of cotton. We use is because it's a singular. But then we have the plural form. What are they made of? They, because they are several, they're many, they're more than two, more than one. They are made of plastic. So don't forget E is for singular and R for plurals. To be verb in simple present, don't forget that. E is for singular and R for plurals. Please. Okay? Now, activity 3B, pupil's book. Okay, look and match, listen, check, and repeat. This is the one that we did already.
Carton.
Okay, it's this one.
Can.
It's this one.
String.
Good. You must
Button.
in your activity book, please.
Fabric. Plastic bottle.
Excellent. I repeat that activity. It's because this moves. So activity 4 from activity book. Activity 4. Okay, what is your notebook made of? It's made of wood. They are made of plastic. Bottles, plastic bag, I don't know what are you going to put. What are the pencils made of? Wood too. It's the same. It's the same. Now, let's go to review the lesson. Today, we'll learn the names of things we recycle. What can you remember? A ver. We have straw, can, plastic bottle, fabric, rubber, elastic band. Remember that rubber band is in American English and elastic band is in British. We're gonna see some extra vocabulary and I want you to include it in the homework, please. They're just 6.
Paper bag. Egg carton. Jar. Packet. Tin. Tub.
Okay, please repeat it and remember to write them in your first vocabulary. Add them, please. Very good. Okay, guys. That will be all.